The implant is the visible part. The work is invisible. Every successful osseointegration is the result of a cellular cascade that happens at the scale of micrometers. Over 12 weeks, it is conducted by 3 bone cells you have probably never met. Let me introduce them. This is the osteoblast, cuboidal, 10 to 30 micrometers, aligned along the implant surface. Its job is to build bone matrix. This is the osteoclast, multinucleated, up to 100 micrometers across. Its job is to resorb bone. This is the osteocyte, embedded inside the bone matrix in tiny chambers called lacunae, with long arms reaching through tunnels called canaliculi. Its job is to listen, sense load, and signal the other 2. Builder, resorber, signaler. 3 cells. They decide whether your implant integrates or not. Week 0 to 2, the wound decides everything. A blood clot forms. Platelets release growth factors. Macrophages arrive in 2 flavors. M1, the inflammatory, M2, the healing. If M2 dominates, mesenchymal stem cells migrate in from the periosteum in the marrow. They differentiate into pre-osteoblasts. The decision is made in days. The next 10 weeks just executed. Week 2 to 6, the builders arrive. Osteoblasts line up along the implant surface like masons. They secrete osteoid. They mineralize it within hours. Woven bone forms. Some of these builders get buried in their own matrix. When that happens, they transform. They become osteocytes, the signalers, trapped in their lacunae but connected to everything. Week 6 to 12, the full ballet. Now all 3 cells dance together. The osteoclast excavates a small pit in the woven bone. The osteoblasts follow behind it, refilling the pit with mature lamellar bone. The osteocytes embedded throughout sense the load and conduct the choreography through 2 molecules. Rankle accelerates the osteoclast. OPG breaks it. The balance between them decides the outcome. When the choreography is correct, the woven bone is replaced by mature lamellar bone, and the implant is integrated. By week 12, the cellular cascade is largely complete. And when the balance tips, this is what you see. Too much rankle relative to OPG, the osteoclasts win. The resorption pits do not refill. The bone disappears around the implant. This is peri-implantitis territory. Or earlier, if M1 macrophages dominated the first 2 weeks, the stem cells never arrived. The osteoblasts never aligned. Fibrous tissue replaces bone at the interface. This is failed osseointegration. Smoking, diabetes, periodontitis, surgical trauma, compromised bone, excessive load, they all tip the balance. Now the honest version. Most of this cellular evidence comes from animal models, cell culture, and recent organ-on-a-chip systems. Direct human histology of the bone implant interface during the cascade is limited. And every host factor, diabetes, smoking, age, medications, modifies a choreography. But here is what we do know. Your implant is not just a screw, it is the conductor's stand for a cellular ballet that lasts 12 weeks. Osteoblasts build, osteoclasts resorb, osteocytes signal. The cells decide whether the bone embraces the metal or walls it off. The clinician sets the stage. The cells perform. Treat them with respect.